Hello, Kenta friends. In this video, we will explore the features and functionalities of VN Video Editor Maker, Video Editor Maker Pro, and Gocut Effect Video Editor. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these apps have something unique to offer for all your video editing needs. Let's get started. VN Editor Video Maker. VN Video Editor Maker is a highly versatile and user-friendly video editing application that has gained immense popularity among TikTok users. This app offers a wide range of editing features, including video trimming, adding effects, adjusting speed, color correction, and much more. With VN Video Editor Maker, users can create visually stunning videos with ease. Moreover, the app also provides a vast collection of unique effects and filters to enhance the overall look and feel of the videos. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, VN Editor Maker caters to all levels of expertise and allows users to unleash their creativity in video editing. Video Editor Maker Pro. Video Editor Maker Pro, on the other hand, is the premium version of the aforementioned app, offering advanced features and tools for users who are serious about video editing. With Video Editor Maker Pro, users can expect a higher level of sophistication in their video editing projects. From producing high-quality videos to detailed editing options, this app provides professionals with the tools they need to create polished and professional-looking content. Additionally, Video Editor Maker Pro comes equipped with an extensive range of effects and filters that enable users to elevate their editing skills and produce captivating videos that stand out. Gocut Effect Video Editor. Gocut Effect Video Editor is a comprehensive video editing application designed specifically for creating captivating TikTok videos. With a plethora of effects and filters at your disposal, Gocut Effect Video Editor allows users to enhance and transform their videos into visually appealing pieces of content. From basic editing features such as trimming and adding music to advanced functionalities like speed adjustment and color grading, this app offers a seamless editing experience for users of all skill levels. Thank you for watching our video discussing the best TikTok video editing apps for Android. Stay tuned for our next video.